This is a fun little guy, man. I like it.
I do love Icebreaker, but it is crazy. It is a crazy one.
All right, guys, we're on Icebreaker. Get a look out over the park over there. You're looking at the pipeline right there. All right. So we're sliding on over. This one brings you out like probably about 30 feet, and then you bank to the right. It slides you on over, and then you're on the track. And if you guys aren't big on the big roller coasters, this one's a little smaller, and it's kind of fun. It actually is. It's a nice coaster. And that pipeline over there, if you guys are getting a view of that guy. Whoa, holy moly. Here we go again. Down. Oh, God. Holy.
It's a little one, but it's a good one.
It's a smaller roller coaster, but it's definitely worth getting on, guys. It still gets all them feelings like the big ones get you. It's a little smaller, but once again, Icebreaker.
It's small, but it packs a punch.
It does pack that punch. Woo.